নমস্কার, আমি লালিয়া দত্তগুপ্ত 209th এপিসোডে সংস্কৃতি কলকাতার তরফ থেকে আজকে দেখাবো আমি নানা রকমের কটনের ওপর ব্লক প্রিন্ট, কটনের ওপর এমব্রয়ডারি, হ্যান্ডলুমের এমব্রয়ডারি। সামনে সরস্বতী পুজো আসছে, সুতরাং চট করে এখনও বাসন্তী কালেকশনের কিছু কাজ আমি আগে দেখিয়েছি, প্লাস আজকের এপিসোডেও কিছু বাসন্তী কালেকশন দেখতে পাবেন যেগুলো আমাদের ইদানিং খুব প্রয়োজন হবে। সুতরাং দেখতে থাকুন, আশা করি ভালো লাগবে। আবার বলি, সংস্কৃতি একদম 26 বছরের একটা ফ্যাশন হাউস, বালিগঞ্জে, কলকাতায়। প্রোডাক্ট নাম্বার 1 is in cotton ajrak, which has been block printed. Pigment block printing has been done on this cotton, pure Bengal cotton sari. The print is done in such a way so that it looks like an ajrak printing, but basically it's a pigment printing done. It's a very interesting color combination. I'll show you some nice colors. So as I said, Saraswati Puja is, we need yellow sarees now, and also summer is also coming, so ideal for summer wear also. So this is the Ajrak pigment printing 2500, product number 1, all hand block in pure cotton. The maintenance of this sari is normal dry clean, and then after 2 or 3 washes you can wash at home, but preferably dry clean is preferred so that the glaze remains. And this is the cotton printed blouse piece, 1 meter, that you will be getting with the sari. So 2500 for this, very good quality, full thread pure Bengal cotton with Ajrak block printing. So this is product number 1. I will show you more colors in this. The pallu part is brushing done in this. So I'll show you which is the pallu part where the brushing is done. So this is another reddish rust color. See this part, the brushing, this part, the pallu part, all this brushing has been done with the color, so it gives a very smart look. Beautiful sari. See, the base color is beige color, it's chiku color, tussar color, with all over Ajrak block printing done. This is the pallu part with a self flower, 2500 for this, with this blouse piece, cotton Ajrak blouse piece. You don't need any lining for this. This itself will be good enough, but if you want to give it some line, that's up to you, but basically it's very good quality cotton, so it doesn't need any lining with this. So this is the sari. The whole sari will be similar block printing done. Number 3, I love this color. It's a snuff color, coffee tone snuff color, very uncommon color, beautiful color. Love this color, very uncommon. How, I don't know how my karigar could bring out this color in pigment printing. It's beautiful, I loved it. 2500 for this, with a zigzag cotton blouse piece. See how smart it will look on wearing during summer. It's on white base, lovely color combination with this pallu, 2500. Okay, closely if you want to see the printing. Whole sari, same printing throughout. Okay, I have another slate color. This is number 4A, We can take orders in this because this is all done in our printing workshop. This is a short color grey color with a charcoal slate color block print. Grey with charcoal black block printing done. A very smart finish. Very smart color combination. Looks very nice with silver jewelry also. It has this Dabu printed blouse piece with this. Here is the pallu, 2500, all pure Bengal cotton, heavy quality throughout this block print. So this is 4A. And similar one, I have 4B, which is in a white base. So that's the only difference. That was in a two-tone color, grey tone, and this is the white tone. Base color is white. Again, another very smart pure cotton, which we always need now. We love Bengal cotton. This is the blouse piece. With a grey and black white printing on the base white. On the base black, we have the white and grey block print, vegetable print, Dabu print, and this is the pallu. All same price. Whichever you like, you can get any of them. Now coming to Hakoba. With Ajrak patchwork done. A very renowned Bengali actress had also worn one of our Ajrak Hakobas in Agomoni collection during the Puja season. She was looking absolutely stunning. She wore one of our Hakoba frill saris in white and red, and similar, keeping that in mind, we did this Hakoba with Ajrak patchwork in layers. The pallu will be in multicolored patchwork. The border will be also in different color Ajrak, patti done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattis in the border. So the whole sari will be in cotton Hakoba with all over, self embroidery and cut work. Very smart pure cotton, where you want to wear for summer formal wear. This is absolutely a stunning piece. Really stands out in the crowd. It's something very different. And this is the sari. In case it gets sold out, we can recreate it for you, but probably maybe the print may slightly differ, but otherwise the same concept can be done. Maybe the blouse piece color will be same, but the print may be little different. But see, this is the sari. Very smart. We have another Ajrak Hakoba number 6, but that had 3 layers. This has 1 layer, and the style is also different. Here you get the Ajrak cotton in the body part. This is in panel, the pallu part, 4300. See, all the prices are mentioned in the scroll that's going. In the description part you get all the prices mentioned. You take the screenshot of the product and WhatsApp to any one of the 2 numbers that is provided. If the sari is available, we will give you the bank details, business account bank details, and it will be couriered to you within 2 to 3 working days. Cash on delivery possible only in Kolkata, outside Kolkata via courier. So this is the sari. The body will be in Ajrak cotton, and from the hip, after the body part, then comes your Hakoba. And with this, since the body part is in navy ajrak, the blouse comes in hakoba. A very smart concept in pure cotton, totally a designer piece in cotton. Another one I have in maroon. So we have maroon and navy, two colors, indigo and maroon. So I would love to drape this for you because these are arrangement sarees, and on draping you get the full look of the product. Summer colors. Please do like, share and subscribe if you are liking the products. And of course, you by now you know our WhatsApp number. Once we confirm you the booking, the invoice will be sent with every shipment. Now this is another cotton with gamcha check border. This is a gamcha check border. It's a very, gamcha is a it's a fabric which is a different, very nice lightweight pure cotton, which is used extensively as mainly a towel. But from there now we've come up with, it's so beautiful, the checks, that from there has been many fashion borders, patching, blouses, which has been, we are doing with gamchas, and it gives a beautiful traditional different concept. So that is one of this. So gamcha check border with alpona, freehand alpona, means it's painting done throughout the border. Here comes the pallu in katha patchwork. The pallu part is in katha patchwork. Pure Bengal cotton, it is zari check. Initially now there is starch, so maybe it's seen that it may be bloated, but it won't be. By the time you do fall pico and all, it will become softer. So this is the sari, and with this you get a cotton katha blouse piece also. So this is the blouse piece you get with this cotton sari. So pallu and blouse piece is in katha, the body is in alpona along with gamcha check. Yes, again we can take orders of this, but you have to keep in mind the same katha design may be little here and there. So in that case, it will take a lot of time. So it's best, I'm giving you options. If the red is sold, you can always go for this Rani magenta color. This is also a very pretty color combination, where the body is in again freehand painting. The pallu is in checks, the pallu is in katha, and the blouse piece again will be in cotton katha. All handwork. If you are very broad built, probably you need to add some fabric to this katha, blouse piece material. You may need to add little fabric because it's around 70 centimeter fabric, but maybe you may need to add some extra fabric. So this is the sari. Full sari will have the painting and same border. Number 10. Again another. Now this is also done in painting, but in checkered form, This check part is painted. It is done in between the woven check which is already there in the sari. So this check sari, this is the painting, this is another patti, and this is the sari natural patti. So it's a very smart patchwork sari, border attached sari. This is the pallu, again with katha, and here you get the katha material, extra material for your blouse. So see how smart the check katha blouse is matching so well with the check of the sari, and also the pallu. Very smart white and red. For those who are looking for Poila Boishakh sari from now on, they need to ship abroad or anyway. And if you want to have any collection for Agomoni collection, 3990 all these, product number 10, and the whole sari will be similar checks. So this is the sari. All pure Bengal cotton sari, hand painting, hand embroidery. Now coming to again cotton embroideries. Now this is a lot of embroidery done in pure cotton sari. Lot of hard work. Those who love good quality cotton and unique designing, unique embroidery in this, then for there again these would be really very nice. It's a deep slate color with a firoza color. This part has been mix and match. This is attached separately, not on top of the fabric. So this, I'll show you the back, then you understand. This grey color fabric has been cut out, and then this part has been attached, joint, to give it a light weight. Otherwise I could have just put it on top, but we have not done that. We've just done patchworking, so that again this, we have not put this part on top of the sari. You just cut this off and then attach it, so that it becomes light also, and it's easy to drape. So it's a slate and a firoza color combination. The upper part will have embroidery. These are all machine Parsi. So it's a very smart looking sari. These have actually running blouse piece, so better not to cut out the blouse and just to use a contrast cotton fabric for the blouse. There is blouse piece. The blouse piece is running with this. If you can cut out the blouse, but preferred you better wear, if you use this fabric, you need to add lining. So better wear a white color blouse or a grey color. Even a black color simple blouse will also look very pretty with this. So I'll quickly show you the colors. I have some really nice colors in this. Lot of work done. 3990 for this. Baby pink with magenta. Pallu. Few saris have some extra work in the sleeves, like my karigar was generous enough to add this to sleeve part, but in the previous one he might have not. So it's you have to check out, and if you want to use the border or not, so it's up to you. But this is the sari, but better you can just wear a contrast baby pink color cotton blouse. A rubia blouse also will look nice. Bashanti collection, yellow and a charcoal grey color. Very pretty color combination. All the same concept, except that the colors change. Like this is with mirror work, so the price may be little here and there. Yeah, so it's 3990 anyway. 90 rupees, 80 rupees, maybe there's a difference in the price. It depends on when and where, how much the karigar charge, maybe little difference, but more or less these are all same fabric. more or less the same embroidery. This work is different. This is with mirror work. Body will have also mirror work buttas, bright charcoal black color with yellow, with running blouse. So you can cut the blouse piece or you can just wear a contrast one. It is not black, it is charcoal grey color. It's a deep greyish black color, but not jet black. White and off-white and red. So all very pretty, beautiful colors I'll show you. Very good quality cotton. Pallu. Really looks very different when you wear, regular saris, and then it can, look better than even any silk and tussars also on draping, because these are all conceptualized saris. See, these at present I have 1 or 2 pieces of each color, but we can take orders if you give me time. This is the pallu. Number 15. Lemon and olive. The yoke part will have the whole work, broad work. The lower part will have sleek border. The pallu comes in full embroidery, 3990. And then the running border and the buttas. This is the blouse piece border. So give me options in case you like 1 or 2 colors. Give me options for that. In case the other one is sold, I can obviously give you the other one, giving me your choices. Even the mannequin is wearing a very bright color combination in yellow and royal blue. So this is the actual look. See how smart it is looking. Yoke part will be prominent embroidery. These are all machine embroidery, as I said, machine Parsi work. The pallu part will be in again full embroidery, the temple border. This is the sari, a very smart one. Same price, these are more or less 3990. This is with mirror work. This is the sari. Again, it has a running blouse piece with narrow border, but you can always mix and match with something else, wear a plain solid color and attach the border as it is. Now coming to more Agumoni collection 16A. All again cotton with hand katha work done. This is the fully hand work buttas, lovely katha embroidery. Very close buttas with mirror work. Now let me tell you, the color of yellow is not exactly full even. Why I tell you? Even in the other this thing, because this is not the natural color of the fabric. This with painting, this color we have created. It is actually basically a full white sari. This is the sari where we have done this block printing done. This is the sari, but the rest part we have dyed it with brush. Painted brushing painting we've done. Running blouse piece. Bashanti collection, half and half with katha and block. Price 3250. 3250, running blouse piece. Again, preferably wear a contrast any blouse. No need to cut this blouse. So better to wear any. So half sari will be with katha and the rest will be in block print. So 16A is this, the same stuff, the same concept. I have in this color combination, Rani. So see the work closely. Very neat, pretty work. Temple in the pleats block print and again running blouse piece. So this is the sari. Similarly, I have another design, 17A, same concept but the butta is different. In this, the flower butta of the Katha butta is different, the design is different. All keeping in mind the Saraswati Puja Bashanti collection, even there are more festivals where you need yellow saris. So this is a very pretty one with milk white and yellow. I will drape the Rani for you too. This is also a beautiful color. The sari will be very big, because there is blouse piece with this, but if you want, you can just cut out the sleeve part also, whichever way you want to mix and match. Very summery, very cool and extremely comfortable pure cotton sari. Now I will come to handloom Katha embroidery. So here these are all Bengal cottons. The border is slightly blended, of course. The body is in cotton. There is a touch of stable in this. Touch of stable so that it gives a very nice bright look. These are all keeping in mind the Bashanti collection with tassels. The upper part will have tassels. Now, okay, first I'll explain one sari, then you will be able to understand. This is a woven handloom where it's partly pallu woven with jute in the pallu part. 4500, all same price, 4500 handloom Bengal cotton with Katha, little slightly stable mixed, very comfortable, 99% cotton. This is the sari, and then the pleat will be in a contrast color. It's all partly pallu design. Now here is the rest. So I'll just drape one. The upper part and the pallu will have the tassels. So this is the sari, yellow and green color, all handwork Katha. With blouse piece. All blouse will have border embroidery. 4500 for this. Here I've draped another partly pallu one in yellow and rustish red color. It's in Poddo Katha, lotus embroidery. Lotus embroidery, see, so much of work has been done in the pallu part. Then both the side border comes with the work. The pleat, the border totally goes in the pleat, and then partly pallu, the pleat will be in reddish rust, and then the draping part, the part will again be yellow. It will have a rust color. Blouse piece, same price, 4500 for the hanging sari. Just take the screenshot. It is the hanging sari, 4500, yellow and red. If you are interested, please do take the screenshot and WhatsApp to any one of the number. If it's available, I will give you the bank details. After payment, we will courier it to within 2 to 3 working days, and even internationally we are shipping regularly. So the more you buy, the less you pay for shipping. So this is the pleat. So better you pay for the sari now, and shipping you can pay later when you are done with your shopping. This is the blouse piece. We have the tailoring department where we can connect you after you make the payment for your blouse stitching and your extra services if you require. See how pretty this is looking. Poila Boishakh special. Agomoni collection, red and white handloom cotton katha with full embroidery in the border, buta, pallu, very pretty, white and red. 4,500 rupees only. With so much of border work, buta, partly pallu, weaving sari with blouse piece, it's coming to 4,500. I'll show you many colors in this. Here the lower part will have broad border, the upper part will have sleek border. Pallu, here is the sari. Again, let me tell you, since this is all done in handwork and takes a lot of time, there may be little carbon marks or little one or two very light stain, which is very common in handwork katha, because though it's washed and dried, but then again during the field they wash it and they dry it, and then there may be one or two carbon marks or little bit of frame stretching or one or two marks, but that is, you have to, it comes with katha. This is the pallu. This is also very pretty. Rani and yellow. All same price, 4,500. Pallu. This is the blouse piece. The pleat and the blouse will be same color combination. This is the blouse piece and this is the sari. Beautiful sari. All these will look very pretty on draping. Even I am wearing one, you see. It's a silver grey color with magenta. Silver grey color with magenta. Same price, 4,500, and here comes the blouse piece with this. Same partly pallu. Here is the pleat. The same color combination that I am wearing. This is another piece, except the work is different. So whichever is you like better. This is the blouse piece. Again, the pleat will be in magenta, similar to that I am wearing. So whichever you like, this is the other work in the same combination, same price, 4,500 for this. Okay. A lovely black and red. Here is the pallu. 4,500. Can you imagine that so much of border work with buta, with this weaving sari? It's coming to only 4,500 with blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Very pretty color combination. 23. So those who are liking this, you can take any of the options if you like the concept. Yellow and rustish red. With BP, all BP will have this border work, so I'm not showing all the blouse pieces work, but all will have the embroidery done. A very bright, lovely yellow color. Same price, 4,500. Parrot green and blue. Parrot green and blue. Blouse piece, two-tone color in the blue, peacock blue and parrot green. Beautiful, broad, lovely embroidery in the border. All these still pictures, you can check out the Facebook page, Cotton Embroidery, Bashanti collection for still pictures, because we do not click still pictures. All the random click pictures that we are clicking will be uploaded in our Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page. The link is already provided in the, in this video. So check out that page for more options. You can check out our statuses, WhatsApp status, where regular new collection or the repeated collections are uploaded which are in high demand. Those, whenever they are recreated, we try to upload. To check out those, every day we are uploading our reviews, our updates in the WhatsApp status, also in Facebook page, and the Instagram link, that is in Lalia_Sanskriti, where you can check out the Insta page also. Kindly do subscribe to the channel, so that whenever I am uploading new episodes, new concept, new designs, new videos, you can just get the notification. Since it's first come first serve basis, you can just get the notification right away. After you are making the payment in the business account, kindly WhatsApp me number 26. Number 26 is white and red again. White and red pallu. With red blouse piece. Try these sarees, it will be very comfortable and very different, and all handwork kathas. Number 26. Now coming to yellow and Rani. $4,500, all flat rate I've kept. Please to visit our branches. We have 2 branches in Kolkata, 2C Cornfield Road, Ballygunge, Kolkata 19, and the other one is 12 Jamir Lane, Ballygunge, Kolkata 19. Sundays we are closed. Monday to Saturday we are open every day from 10 o'clock in the morning to 8 p.m. at night. So we courier regularly, again cash on delivery in Kolkata, outside Kolkata via courier only. Shipping charges are applicable for all shipments. We have not included the prices in our products because those who are buying from Kolkata, they are coming and buying unnecessarily, no need to pay the shipping. Na? So we have not added the shipping charges in our product. Hence the shipping charges need to be paid extra separately. A royal blue and a green color combination. Blouse piece. Beautiful color. Another yellow and Rani. All the work is different. Maybe the color combination is same, but the work will be different in each sari. 4500 yellow Rani. Even during the haldi ceremony also these will be a very nice sari. This is the blouse piece, two-tone color blouse piece, and this is the closely see the work, lovely embroidery. Lastly I will show you one very pretty sari which I myself had worn in white. We are still taking orders. Actually my karigar had gifted me that one and hence I asked him to make a black also in this. It's a very pretty katha work. See the work, the finish, the embroidery, it's just absolutely stunning. Beautiful, very close work, and it's lotus with bird. 4150 rupees. Exquisite embroidery. Yes, the price has gone up to 200 rupees only. He just asked me, ma'am, itna sara kaam hai isme, it has so much of work, so kindly give me 200 rupees more. So okay, fine, I had to oblige because it's a beautiful work and it's a very, very lovely concept also. With, see, the blouse piece work also is so beautiful. Even the white we are taking orders, and of course now that we have the black also. But white order will take 2 months time. None of the pieces are available now. I sold more than 150 pieces. At present I have around 10 to 12 pieces in black. I will closely show you the pallu work. See the work, it's just stunning. Hope you liked the episode. Thank you so much for watching. Namaskar. And before I end, I just want to tell you about my jewelry. This is the neck piece. It is 20 to 50. It has tassels, so you can just increase it to as long as you want. It has a, see, it can be lengthened also. 2250 is for the neck piece. 2250. You can wear it this way also, or you can wear it like the one I had worn it, closely also. So 2250 is for the neck piece. It doesn't have a earring. It is uncut abstract stone. It's a very unique premium piece, and the bangle is 1400, moonstone bangle. 1400 is for the bangle. These kind of jewelry goes well with white shirts also, black shirt, white shirt, denim shirts, with skirts, western wear also, and of course you can wear it with these saris. Any kind of handloom saris also, this really looks very nice. So that's it. Thank you so much. Namaskar.